Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on mobile. First, ensure your device meets the minimum specifications, typically requiring a powerful processor and at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Once installed, launch the application and familiarize yourself with the touch-optimized interface. You'll find the media pool, timeline, and inspector panels are easily accessible, allowing you to begin your editing journey right away. It's designed for efficiency, even on a smaller screen. Now, let's get your media into the project. Tap the Import button, usually found in the media pool, and select files from your device's photo library or file system. You can bring in high-resolution video, like 4K footage, and various audio formats. Once imported, create new bins to categorize your clips, perhaps by scene or date. This organization is crucial, especially when working with dozens or even hundreds of individual assets, making your editing process much more efficient. With your media organized, it's time to edit. Drag and drop clips onto the timeline. To trim, simply tap and drag the edges of a clip. You can easily split clips, insert new ones, and rearrange their order. Add simple cross-dissolves or other transitions by tapping the transition icon between clips. Adjust audio levels by dragging the volume line on each clip. The inspector panel, accessible with a tap, offers fine-tuning for parameters like scale, position, and rotation, giving you precise control. Finally, let's refine your visuals and export. Navigate to the color page, where you'll find essential tools like primary wheels and curves. You can adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance to give your footage a professional look. Once satisfied, head to the Deliver page. Here, you can choose your desired output format, resolution, and frame rate. For example, export in full high definition at 30 frames per second, ready to share your masterpiece with the world in just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.